as a AX beginner, you need to learn some few tips for as regular consultant. You need to check some few tips. That one is here. See AX 2012 and 2009 two environments is installed. Based upon the name only, we can set that one is 2012 or 9.
What's the same? Most languages
yeah, mostly, but technically they have few changes is happened. Okay. Why our best is we have started working on AX 2012, right? So training course is also completely AX 2012 on.
But in interview they will ask
Internet they will if you search internet. If you search in internet, if you know what are the changes in 2012, if you know the 2012 very well, then you can easily compare that this one is not happened in 2009 version. You can easily find out.
main difference is what
Once again. And thing is, go to the start menu, search the services. How to open services in Windows? Go to the administrative tools, and here services is there. This is one way, or type it in run command services.msc. This is one way. Okay, as a developer, you need to check one is services.msc. Okay, first we need to check whether that AOS server is established or not in between to run the AX application. Okay, see here in services, how we can find the AX services means go to the for AX 2012 Microsoft Dynamics. See here, this is normal Dynamics AX. See, after server it's showing the 5.0. I have 5.0 in the sense 0. 5.0 means it's the AX 2009 version. Okay, 2012 they are called as a 6.0 in the sense 6 in your language it's 6.0. Okay, so here this one is 5.0. Okay, go to the Microsoft here Dynamics AX. Here 6.2. 6.2 in the sense this one is R2 version. Okay, and here Microsoft Dynamics AX3 in the sense this is the instance name. While doing installation, we will get the instance name. One column will be there. You can whatever give the instance name, that one will appear here. This one is nothing but called as a AOS, Application Objective Server. Okay, in architecture you saw, right? Database, AOS and AX. The client. So this is the AOS, right? This one is not started, right? If not started, if you open the AX 2012, see what will happen. You need to check this point also. If any other sometimes these issues will come, you can easily identify what is going. See here, the server is unavailable. Check your configuration and network connection and try again. Right? That one is not established. Okay. See here, I will start this service. It will take time to start the AOS. Okay. See, this type of window come if AOS is established to taking too much of time. So sometimes this error will come. Error code is 1053. The service did not respond the start control request in a timely fashion. In the sense, it will establish, but it will take time. Okay. Then click OK. It will shows the starting status is starting. Okay, so we need to wait. See here, AX is status is showing starting, but here stop and restart buttons is enabled. In the sense, this service is started, but status is saying started. Refresh this one. automatically status will change. It will take time. Maybe it will see now. Status is started. Okay, fine. Okay, go and open AX 2009. Sorry, AX 2012. See here some errors is there. That is label issues. Okay. It will take time. See here it's showing the after installation. Yes, you need to do all these things, but here not showing the names. It's showing the label file. It's a backend sales file. So that file is missing. That is the reason it's showing the like this. I will show you in after few classes what is the names of this. Okay.
That is the name file.
Installation checklist, some checklist like that. So that files is missing. That is the reason this issue is came. Okay, for going to the developed environment, you need to press Ctrl plus D. It will open the AX environment. This is the development environment. The before one, that one is functional workspace. This one is development workspace. All as a workspace.
First it will be the function of
Yeah, after that then only we can go with. See here, this is the AX environment. See here, this one is the AX technical environment. This one is it will shows the license. Here which server you have connected. You are connected. Okay, which server? My server name is this one. See, compare that one. My server is there or not. See here, my server name is win-qf3678vs7g. See here, same thing is appear here. Yeah, this is the server name, and here it's showing the DAT, means there is a company, DAT. Okay, you can see the company here, DAT, and here you can available DAT. Okay, these two things is mandatory. And one more thing, this AX environment connected on which database? The one is SQL Server database, I'm sure, but we need to give this given some name while doing installation, right? We need to check. Where we can check? Come again. This one is not on this. Okay, we can go. We have the options. One is configuration, 2012 configuration, in the sense that is front end we just know we saw two workspaces. That one is called as a client. Okay, that is client. So that one is coming from here. Okay, next one is server configuration, in the sense which database is connected, like that it will show. So we can go and check here. Sorry to say, some issue is there. See here, it's showing the dynamic size application objective server instance. If you have only one instance, that is the reason it's showing the only one instance. If you are creating the multiple AOS servers, it will show the multiple AOS servers. And see database connection. This is the server name. Which server you have connected? In that server, which database you are connected, right? This one is connected. So we can check in this way. Okay. and you can check. See here it's showing the current application layer. Okay, so where we can check these layers. See here, this one is in configuration, client configuration. This one is indicates the server name. Here we have the only one local environment, that is the reason you can see this one only. But in live we have the multiple servers is there. So at that time you can create one server name. Whatever server is installed, or computer name is nothing but a server name. Okay, give some server name. Okay, instance name is optional, but TC port is mandatory. Why? Because TC port in the sense by default installing the 2712 will be come here. Okay, but 2715 in the sense if you are anybody is changed while installing the port number, you want to access that AOS means you can give that port number first. Okay, they will give that port number here, some port number 2714. Click OK, it will add here. Okay, and doing this one is up. It will go to up, and they will give the first preference to this one only. If it is not established, this test server is not established, then it will go to the second server. Okay, and if you want to send this file to anyone, export this configuration file on the desktop, give this some test machine access. Okay, save this file. Okay, it will appear like this. Okay, if you want to send anyone, copy this one or upload this one and send it to anybody. Okay, this is the way. Not clients, for your local client they have the separate admin. Okay, for your knowledge purpose I am sharing these things. Okay. See here how to create a table, one new table. Okay, select this one, create the new table option will become here. Okay, create this one, it will arrange like this. If it is come to the table 2 in the sense already table 1 is there, someone is not modified that name, so that is the reason it will be table 2. So name it the table name here, some good name, Mahendra customers, Mahi customers. Okay, okay fine. What are the fields in the sense? First we need to learn the what is the field types. Yeah, see here, actually fields are comes under the data types. We have the mainly 2 data types. One is primitive data type and another one is compositive data type. Primitive data type means it will comes to the string, in the sense whatever will appear some items. See here, string, integer, real, date, date time, etc, date time, enum in 64. All this comes to the primitive data types. And the GUID container will comes to the compositive data types, and also array also. Okay, array also comes to the here. Mostly we are using the string, integer, real, date, UTC, date time, enum in 64. Only these types is we are using. What is string? Yeah, any type of characters it will allow. Right? Integer means it will allow the numbers up to certain range. Real in the sense it will allow the decimals also. 0.00, 12.05, 12.25 like that. Okay. Date, it will allow the date only. Okay. Time in the sense, yeah, UTC date, only time it will allow. UTC date time, it will allow the date and time both. Enum in the sense, what is enum? For example, you are filling any application form in online website. In gender tab is there, right? Gender, some gender tab. Yeah, it will available male or female only. Nothing will available, right? No, that one is different. I am saying the different concept. While clicking the drop down, some applications, while clicking the drop down, male and female will come. That one is called as a decimum. Only the 2 elements is available. right? That one is called as a base enum. Container will allow the any type of data type, string or integer or real or data type, any type. Okay, GUID, this is the different case. Global unique identity, this is the different case. Currently we are not using now. Most probably it will using for the workflows and some EP websites.
What do you mean?
Search it in Google, because we are not using the properly that one. Okay, even container GUID we are not using the, at this level, creating the table level. In 64, in the sense up to certain range integer will allow the data, and in 64 bit extend. Okay, and create this one new field. I want to create the first your customer ID, in the sense ID, in the sense any type of field, any type of characters you need to allow. Okay, cust ID. Okay, see here cust ID is there. I created cust ID. Next one is name also string only, right? Got my point? Type name is there. Next one is some, we will assign phone number. Okay, client phone number, customer phone number. Present these three things is sufficient. If it is red mark like this, but whatever your created objects is not affected. Affected means if you are not saving, without saving, if you do anything, any changes. For example, see here, phone, name, custody, three things is there. Right click, or if you restart the AOS, or if you are closed and open that application, your changes will come. See here, I will check restore. Discard changes my customers. In the sense, these three fields will be, you will lose these three fields. Check it. How it is? Oh, sorry. See here, open this one. See here, custody, name, phone number. Here data area ID is there. This one is called as a company. Here appears the company ID. Record ID, in the sense every record will have the certain IDs. So this one is unique. This one is not duplicate. This one is unique. Okay. Create one new record. Custody 10012. Name is Mahendra. Phone number 988 46278. It would not be right. Okay. See here, data area ID is there, partition is there. Partition we are not using. And rec ID. See here, rec ID is 0. In the sense, this record is not saved. See here, rec ID is there, it is not there. Record is not there. If you save this one, rec ID will automatically generate. By default, through kernel version, through kernel, AX will generate that one. Okay, that's the AX and not our head. Okay. And if you want to delete this record, select this record, not select, Alt F9. You want to delete this record, delete it. Okay, and again create one more record. Custody 1002. Name is not allowed. Yeah, that how many characters in the sense, where we can check in the sense, we can check name, see 10 characters string size.
By default it takes 10 characters.
Yeah, by default it will take 10 characters. You need to extend that one, right? For example, for name, see some places for name they will give you some 40 characters, 50 characters, 60 characters, that one is allowed. But in AX environment also we need to allow. So every time you need to change the string size in the sense, that is the typical headache to you. Okay, and actually that one is not best practice. Okay, so because of that Microsoft has introduced the extended data type concept. Okay, extended data type in the sense the name itself indicates the data type will be extended some more size. It will be useful mostly on size. Okay, okay, where we can create our own extended data type, right? This one is created by us. So for this purpose we need to give it some time data type. So I want to extend the custody and the name. Go ahead. Back again. See here, we need to extend this name field, some certain characters, right? This custody is created by us. This one is also we need to extend some certain characters. Wherever you use the custody, you need to extend with some certain characters. Okay, that one is fixed. Okay, and customer will allows to the edit up to that one only. They won't allow after the certain characters. So you need to
give the up to 30 only allows.
Up to 30 only.
After 30 not allows.
It will not allow. Who can give 30 characters? Right? Most probably there will be 15 characters. Most probably. Custody. Name it will depends. It will go to some 40, 50 characters. Right? So go to the custody. See here, extended data types you can create here. This one. Extended data type. Okay. Go here. First of all, you can check whether related to the customer any data, any EDT is created or not. Why? Because Microsoft has created some EDTs. You can use the EDTs also. If not there, you can create new one. Okay. Check it. First of all, cust. See here, cust account is there. What is the size? 20 size. Okay. It's sufficient for you, right? Custody is not there. Cust account is nothing but a custody, right? Got my point? Account number. We given the ID. In Microsoft standard, they mention the account. Okay? Check it this one. You can use this one. Remember this one, cust account, one thing. And another one is name, right? Name is existing or not. Why? Because name is fixed for universal. Universally it fixed, right? Name is there. How many characters? 60 characters. It will allow 60 characters. Okay? You can use both. Okay? You see what will happen. See here, this one is string. So you need to check that one is string or not. How can you know this one is string or not? Here one is appear string here. Okay, see this symbol. This symbol is appears A. You observe that point. This one is A. So A is nothing but string. See this one is integer. Integer. Yeah. Check this one. Type is integer. See ID is there 6003. 6003. In the sense that is field ID. You are writing the code, that one is okay. But machine language, every time it will convert to machine language and it will use the output. So at that time it will pass with these IDs. Okay? Remember this point.